Hello everyone in the EDTP 580 Digital Citizenship class. This video is going to cover what we're going to be doing Monday night, February the 9th. And I want to go back over the previous assignment because some folks seem to be struggling with it and I want to make sure we're okay. So as you can see, we will be on Module 3, DC, Digital Citizenship, and the Digital Tattoo. This is all about finding out what the web knows about us and some of the pitfalls that we get into as users of the internet. We'll be doing a PowerPoint that evening. It's a good one. I like it a lot. And then we will research our digital presence using a whole slew of tools that will be located right here. Using these tools, you will find out a lot of information about who you are and how you are seen out there on the web. It's a rather revealing evening. Now, let's talk about the issues around the VoiceThread product. I want to demonstrate it again for those of you who may have missed it or who still may be working on it. So I'm going to use someone's VoiceThread that hasn't been placed into the discussion forum yet to show you how it works. So I'm going to use Hannah Beer's VoiceThread, and I'm going to show you how to place it. So the first thing I need to do is go to Module 2 after I have completed my VoiceThread. And I'm going to come up here to where it says Digital Citizenship 9 Elements VoiceThread. And what this does is takes me to where I can create a space where my VoiceThread can go. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to put in my name. I'm going to put in Hannah's name, actually, so that we know who did it. And I have to jump over here real fast, excuse me, because I forgot what Hannah had written on. So she did digital literacy. Now, what we're going to do is go back into our VoiceThread. I'm going to go all the way back so you can see it from the very beginning.
Digital literacy.
As you can hear, there's Hannah telling us about digital literacy. But what I want to do is go over here to the far left, click on the drop-down menu, and go to where it says Embed. When I click on that, up pops a very simple box, and it basically says, do you want everyone to be able to see it? Yes. Do we want to be able to comment on it? Yes. And if you remember, I have said something to you about adding 200. If you just add 200 to the first number, it'll take care of it. And then add 200 to the next number. Now you have a nice, big, clear VoiceThread. Notice it changed this one to 1,000, and that's okay because it's really nice and big, very easy to read. Now all I'm going to do is copy the embed code by clicking on this button right here. I will jump back over into my Blackboard space, and here I am. My thread that is waiting for Hannah's VoiceThread is sitting here. I'm going to click on where it says HTML. And then I'm going to right-click and paste in, or Control-V, or Apple-V, whatever you're comfortable with. And I'm going to click on Update. I should see a nice box up here, which I do. And then when I do a Submit, and then if I go back in and look at Hannah's submission, I get a nice, big, beautiful voice thread that now shows up.
Digital literacy. Digital literacy is the process of teaching and learning about technology.
Very simple, very nicely done.
One important aspect of digital literacy.
Really nicely done. Okay, um, let me assure you that if you're having any problems with this, the Monday of the 16th February is I don't know if you want to call it a makeup night, but it's a night where you can come in and get caught up on everything. Let me pop in here and let you see it. So that would be 2 weeks from Monday, or a week from Monday, excuse me. A week from Monday, we will have a night where, on the 16th, where you basically can complete everything up to this point. And then from then on out is basically each night we come in with a different topic that we then create or reflect upon and using a Web 2.0 tool. So that's what we're going to be doing Monday night. Make sure that you create separate pages in your wiki. So for Monday night, we would make a page in our wiki called DC and the Digital Tattoo. If you want to call it Module 3, DC and the Digital Tattoo, that'd be fine. Keeps everything straight. And I will see you then.